Hey guys, today we're going to do my everyday natural makeup look, so let's get started. First of all, what I like to do is just use my concealer, my NARS concealer, underneath my eyes just to cover up my under eye bags. I just put this underneath my eyes. And then I just blend this out with my fingers. And on a day-to-day basis, I don't really use foundation because I find that it's really cakey and heavy on my skin. And then next I just use my NARS translucent setting powder. And that just goes underneath my eyes, just to set the concealer. And next I'm just going to be using my NARS blush in the shade Orgasm. So I just smile and then just put it on my cheeks there, and then bring it up a bit. Then once that's finished, I just use my bronzer just to help contour my face a bit. So I'm using the NARS as well, and this is shade Laguna 01. And I just use my big brush on this side just to blend it out. And the reason I'm using this is because I don't actually own that many makeup brushes. I literally just own this one and my eyeshadow brush. So now I'm finished with my face, and I just like to set my eyebrows in one place using the Bare Minerals Strength and Length Setting Eyebrow Gel. And then next I just like to do my eyeshadow. So what I use is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And I use two extremely natural shades. So I use MFEO and Silk Creme. So the first one I'm going to be using is MFEO. And I'm just going to put this on all over my eyelids. And I just like to fix my eyeshadow in a few areas just with my finger. I know I probably shouldn't be doing this. And then I take a darker shade and I just put this in the outer corners of my eyelids. And that was the shade Silk Creme. So just on the outer corners of my eyelids for those darker shades. And then I just blend it in with the lighter one. So now that I'm finished with the eyeshadow, I'm just going to go in and do my lashes now. So I just use this eyelash curler. I just like to curl my eyelashes a few times just to make sure they're nice and curled. Next, I just use this Dior setting eyelash cream. And then lastly, for my eyelashes, I like to use the Double Wear Mascara by Estee Lauder. And sometimes I do like to tight line my upper eyelids with the Laura Mercier eyeliner. Lastly, I just like to do my lips, and what I'm using here is the Anastasia lip liner in Dusty Rose. And I just like to outline the outer shapes of my lips just to give it a bit of a larger look. I really messed up this one. Oh gosh. Oh dear. And then for the lips, I just like to use my Lip Maximizer by Dior. And this is in the shade Rosewood. And I feel like this just gives my lips a really good shine and also helps to plump up my lips a bit because it has hyaluronic acid inside. And that's it for the complete makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video.